This tutorial will demonstrate how to upload a video to YouTube and then embed that video into your Epsilen ePortfolio blog. So first what you need to do is go to YouTube, and over on the top right you will find a sign up or a sign in. If you have not created a YouTube account, first you'll go to sign up and then follow the steps to put in your information. I'm not going to describe that process. You can do that on your own. Once you have created an account, then you would go to sign in and enter in your credentials. Your username, password, and then you'll see that you are signed in. And so up at the top you should see your username here, and this happens to be now your account. And so if you were to click on your username here, which happens to be Mr. Wriggler for me, then it would direct me to my YouTube account site where all of my videos are stored. And so what we want to do is upload a video, and in this particular assignment we're uploading your Camtasia tutorial, which you have exported as either a .mov file or a .avi. It doesn't matter, in either case YouTube will accept them both. And so at this point we would go to account and my videos, and then over on the left you have new, and we're going to go to video upload, and then we're going to select our video that we have made. And so in Camtasia you have exported a video, and so you need to go find that movie, the tutorial. It should be of a folder, possibly on your desktop, and you'll see the .mov file like you see here. Simply select that, double click and hit open, and then upload video. And it'll go through a process now of uploading the video. You can see it's beginning to upload it here. It may take a few minutes, but then as we can go ahead and put in information such as a description, tags, or category that we want. And so in this case, under description, I can put this is a demo video. In your case, you can put this is a tutorial describing whatever process that you did. If you want any tags, you can put those on there. Category, mine I always put under education. Here you can select share your video with the world or private, viewable by you and up to 25 people. You know, for this tutorial, you could probably do the private if you really wanted to, but just to be on the safe side, I recommend keeping it open to the world. And if you don't want this out there, after I've graded it, you're certainly welcome to delete your account or remove this. And so in this case, I'm going to save changes, and it's going to go through a process of uploading. Now, it may take a few minutes for yours to upload. This was a very small demo file, and so depending on how big your video is, it may take a little bit, and it'll show you that it is rendering. Once it has been uploaded, now I can come back and go to my account here and my videos, and you can see here is the video that it is putting in there. Okay, at this point now, you notice that it doesn't have a picture like you see in most YouTube videos because it's not, it's fairly new, and so it takes it a few minutes depending on the size, but it will come around and show a picture there. Here I'm going to go to, as you can see, uploaded processing, please wait. Here I'm going to go to edit, and what I want to do is edit a few of the features on this, and specifically here you can see the title and the description that I put in, category, education, and now what I'd like to do is specify some other things. Down at the bottom here you'll see comments, and you can allow comments automatically. As you notice when you watch my tutorials off of YouTube that I don't allow comments. Any of the stuff that I put up there, I'm not really interested in anybody else's comments to that particular tutorial, and comments tend to be a little out there that I see on YouTube, and so I typically don't allow comments. Voting, I don't allow voting. Video responses, I don't allow video responses. Ratings, I don't allow ratings. Embedding, and this is important, yes, you want to be able to allow embedding because that's what we want to do. And syndication, you can choose what you want to do there. Okay, but mainly if you're not looking for all that feedback, which sometimes the feedback tends to get nasty, then basically simply just turn off the comments and the video responses and the ratings, and then you don't have to worry about that. But so once you're finished there, go save changes, and that simply saves them. If you wanted to change those, you could go back to edit and do that. Okay, so now once we are there, if I go back to my videos and here's this particular video. It's still processing, so please wait. I can go ahead and still go to it. You see that it says this video is not yet processed. The key component that we need is over here on the right where it says embed. And this is basically HTML code that allows you to embed this into certain websites. And one of the great things about Epsilen is that it allows us to do that. So this is important information here. And so what we need to do is click on that and have it all selected and do a copy. So right click and copy, or you can do a Control C and it'll copy. We want to copy all of this HTML code. Okay. Once you have that, then you're going to go to your Epsilen site. And then in this case we're uploading this to your ePortfolio blog. So here, my ePortfolio, and I go down to my blog, and this is where you have been putting in all of your reflections. Here I'm going to add a new entry. In this case we'll call it technology tutorial, and then in this case here you can just put here is my tutorial and hit enter, come down 2 spaces. And if you scroll over on this up here in the toolbar, you'll see a YouTube. Prior, you've always been using this insert a file link to add your reflection. At this point, you're going to use YouTube video. So you click on the YouTube video, and here it's asked paste the embedded HTML code here. Well, that's what we copied over in YouTube. So now I need to do is right click and paste, or you can do a Control V, and that pastes all of this code that we copied that YouTube already created for us. Once we have that, then simply hit OK, and you'll see a little icon there showing the YouTube. So then just come down, that's it. All you gotta do is come down to the bottom, hit save, and there it is. So now when we go back to it, you will see that it puts it directly into our video, and we can hit play. I don't know if it'll play yet because it may not be processed. See, it's not processed yet, but it automatically embeds this into our blog, and if it had been processed, we'd be able to play it, and it'll take just a few more minutes and then it would be done. But that's the process of embedding your video into your ePortfolio blog.